In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen a video in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut and click on New Project. And then I'm going to add 2 videos in from my device. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Import. Go to Downloads. So I want to split screen, say, this video with this video. So I'm going to open these both up, and now I'm going to drag the first video in, and then I'm going to go add an overlay, drag the next one in like so. So if I press play now, only the top layer of this is playing. So what we need to do is go ahead and split screen this. So I'm going to drag the slider to the start. Now what we can do, if we want to just split screen as in half, so left and right, I'm going to click on the first video. Now I'm going to drag this to the right like so, and position it around the middle. And now likewise, click on the bottom video, and then depending what part of the video you want to be shown. So if I want to split screen at the right, now if I press play, so you can see the first video on the left's being played, and the other video on the right's being played too. You can play around the positioning and that and get that a little bit better, but I'm just showing you how to split screen a video inside CapCut. You can also split screen down the middle. So if I just click and hold this like that, and then go to the top video, drag and hold it, get it on top. It's the same process. Press play again. There you go. It doesn't perfectly line up, but it's just, yeah, for demonstration purposes.